If you know you want to study engineering but don't know what type of engineering you want to study, I would suggest that you stick with mainstream engineering degrees such as mechanical, electrical, civil, and chemical engineering, and I will tell you a story why. Let's say you graduate with an engineering degree in a pretty niche field. There wasn't a lot of students in your major at university. Well, now let's also assume that you had some student loan debt. You ask your parents if you can live with them. They agree. So now you are living with your parents after graduation and you are tied to where they live for your job opportunities. Now, your parents are not living in the city, they are living in the suburbs. And you, unfortunately, are restricted to jobs within 50 miles of their house because you don't want to commute over an hour plus to work. Because you chose something niche, there might not be jobs available for your particular engineering major located within 50 miles of your parents' house. So now you've got two options. You can either wait at your parents' place for 6 to 12 months to see if a job will open, and in that case, you're hoping that this job is entry level and not mid or senior level, and you can hope and wait that one will come and that you can apply for it. Or you can get into more debt and try to move to a city and get a job there. Both of these scenarios are very bleak. I want you to be gainfully employed after graduation. And one way to increase the likelihood of that is to major in something that is very broad so that you have opportunities to pivot into various different industries so that you won't be unemployed. Now, if you come from a family who is willing to financially support you after graduation and you have connections to get internships and jobs, then you can probably major in something niche. My advice that I am giving is very conservative. It is for people who do not have that same luxury.